car. Oh, it's a little bit dark. Yeah, it's winter. I'm very pale. That's better. Here we are. Okay. Woo. Am I live everywhere? Looks like it. My hair is messy. Just put back my hoodie. Okay. So look like I'm live here. Look like everything is going well. Is CB present? Whoop, CB. I think now it will work. Let's go on this. Let's go on this computer. There you are. Cool. He's here. Oh. Oh. Why it's I don't need. Do I need this view? I don't think I need this view. So I could go. Sorry, I've been. Oh, it's because I want the chat. That's why I had that one. I want the YouTube chat. Cool. So now I have the YouTube chat. The stuff. Oh, let's try to. Okay. Why should I have it here though? There's a flare. My screen. Is it better? Oh, that's better. Okay, so there I can read, but if I need to answer, I need to have it here. There it is. Pop the chat, please. Thank you. I don't want this anymore. We can move this aside. Boom. Bing, bada boom. Oh, the chat is tiny. That's better. Yeah, so now I have the two chats. We're ready. Let's run the intro. Hello, bonjour, hi, welcome back to the stream. I'm Frank Boucher, your host, and for the next 2 hours, so if you're watching on demand, well, this video will be 2 hours long. Today we'll be working on, I'm used to see my camera there, now it's like a chat, and it's feel like, whoop, I'm not showing, I'm not on the screen. Yes, I am, just not visible. I need to trust OBS that's working, that's doing its job. So today we're working on 2D6 Dungeon app. Yeah, 2D6 Dungeon app. Do I have it open here? I think so. Doop, doop, doop. There it is. I don't want to do like a big intro. I think we did it multiple times. It's an open source project. It's a dungeon crawler, dice and paper game. That was a Kickstarter project. I loved it. I bought the game, I bought everything, and I love it. And I was like, I would like to play, but like maybe while in the car or like while I need to be quiet, so I don't want to roll dice, make like noise and wake up people and things like that. So I was like, I would like to have kind of a companion app, and this project is that. You still need the game, but you could have some support that will be digital, numeric. Is numeric a thing? I think numeric is more French, so digital. So this is what it looks like, kind of. And we've been working on, so this project is open source. Let me put it in the chat. Both chat. Voila. Oh, I'm not... whatever. No, let's change that. Let me just change quickly something. Let's go for this. And this. And that. And boom. And on the chat. Come on. Pop out the chat, please. Bings. Voila. Excellent. Cool. Because, yeah, now I can paste. Now it's showing up. Okay. I wasn't me, so I couldn't paste URL. Okay. Yeah. So we are working on that. It's an open source project. And last time, increase item preview. Interesting. So we were working on like creating a new room with a wizard and trying to bring it to the screen, but we discovered that we need to put coordinate, like you know, X and Y, so we can put it somewhere on the board. It wasn't present. I fixed it offline, and also and also again I'm used to see here and validating, am I showing my screen? And it was a black chat. On the road, we also find out that maybe a corridor shouldn't have a definition. So I think I fixed that. I'm not sure. I work a little bit offline on this one. So I think the best thing I can do right now is show you where I was. I'm able now to draw the room on the dungeon map, but when we pick a door, you know, let's go back in the code, we'll run it and we can look at it. I think it will be much easier. So this is a little bit big. I think big is nice when I'm streaming. Yes. Cool. So let's clear that and let's just run it. Oh, there was update. Okay, we'll restart we'll update the extension after the demo. After that short demo. So how everybody's going? How was your week? For me, it was a busy week. Had a meetup in town. It was nice meeting people, learning a little bit more about Rosalind. Oh yeah, we could also upgrade to Aspire 9.1 that was just released. Oh yeah, like we need to do that. Let's, while I'm thinking about it, let's just have where did he go? Oh, I want it here. Yeah. No, I don't want it. Repository. Yeah, that's the repository, but I don't want an issue. I want No, 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 no. I want a draft. Blah. So position the new room on the map. That's what we are working on right now. So now we have this. So our Spire is running. So let's have a look to the web app. Do we still have an adventure? Yeah, we still have an adventure. Cool. So we have our... Oh, so I did that. I had this part here. You will see soon why. So right now, let's say, so this is the lobby of our dungeon, right? And let's say I want to take the door north. Then I would go here, pick a door, and go north. Problem is, the code doesn't give us the north door. It always give us the north. Even if I pick west or east, I'll always get north. Let's just go pick a door. So let's go west for now. So see, right now I am in the dialogue and the door clicked was west. So I'm putting that into content. So selected exit. Oh, it didn't work. Interesting. So it's still north, but I was west. Oh, so the bug is at line 45. Okay, so let's get back to that, but let me show you the UI first. So if we go back here, so we say open, and see, so if I select door, it's north, but look like when we passed it, it was still north. So let's just skip that for now. Let's look at, so now we have a room, like we opened the door and now we need to decide what is, not decide, but define. The dice will tell us. So roll 2d6 to determine the dimension of the room. So we roll. In the future, obviously, I'll have like nice animation and stuff, but right now I'm just going to need dice. So that's the dice I draw. I should ask the community for like animation. So that would be like a big room, like 5x6, pretty big. So then we go next and we roll 1d6 to determine the number of exits. And there will be 3 exits. I know it's 4, but like it's like 1, 2, blah, blah. A bit low. Is that better? Thank you, Game Lore, for the feedback. Is that better? I can even way better. Cool. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to I didn't do a tech check. I just looked at the bar and I was like, I'm there. I can see the lines moving. Should I go louder than that? Do you still hear the music? Or now it's just my voice? So yeah, so the way roll it, like, so those, the way those are defined, they are rules in the book, and like 1, 2 is 1 door, and like, something like that. So 4 is in the category music is silent. I guess I can. Okay. That's interesting. So if I do that, it won't change the music. Can I go with more music? Maybe if I go like this. But music is always quiet. It's lo-fi, but I boost it up a little bit. But I don't want to get it in the way. So keep me posted. Oh, now I don't see the chat anymore. Wow, now I see the chat. Okay, so yeah. So we have 3 doors. We go next. And now we need to roll 2d6 to get the definition. Right now, it's hard-coded. I had the limited room definition. Once we have that, we'll push that to main and stuff like that, and we'll then work on importing more definitions. So like, you know, because I intend to have a public demo where, or like public install, run it locally, run it yourself, to do like level 1. So if I roll the dice, say, so this should be 51, then so going to the database, reading the definition 51, and like go to summary to see what it is. So we go to summary, and now I say, okay, cool. So we have our room 556, excluding the door we came in, we have 3 doors. So meaning like all walls are covered because there's only 1 door by walls. And then this narrow room connectness. I guess there's a problem where I distribute, because it's not narrow, it's kind of big. It's kind of like close to the biggest it can be. Has no furniture on the wall, so cool. Like for now, we're focusing on like putting a room on the map. So now we could do done and see, well, like we know that was a bug, but if we go here, I can go down and like, this is a room. We now still have to get used to it. So we have a room now, right? It's here with, so I was expecting, so that's the problem right now. So I was expecting to get by this door, right? Because we pick west here, so we should go here and have that door connected. But then it didn't. So it looked like we enter by this room. I think eventually I should have like an active door or active room color for something like that. So right now what I did to, and like for me, I'm not sure I'm very comfortable having it to like move it on the Canva, like drag and drop. It will be much simpler. So what I did is I did this. So we could just go like this, bing, 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 and do this. In the rule books, the way it's supposed to be happening, it's something like this, where this square will be the door. And I think I may go like that. So when you don't know, the door will look like this. And when you connect, I think it will go bigger, so we could redraw it and like put maybe some info. So maybe like because there's different types of door and things like that. So this way we could see a little bit more in details. But that would be it, right? So now if we look like this, and like we need to update the definition. So right now my problem is I'm not going to the good door. And once we have the room set up, this should be our active room, right? So we should update this here. Does that make sense? Hopefully it makes sense. So that's what we are working on. And I feel it will be a debug stream today. Let's try to land on some target. Oh, I landed. Yay! It's a good day. Quick, go fetch frag birds. It's a good day today. First try. Oh no, it's not the first try. I did try it earlier just to see if the game was working. It's my second try. And it's a good one. Okay, so yes, so now I want to debug. So why do I have 2 VS Code open? Interesting. Okay, so let's stop. Why do I have 2 VS Code open? Yeah, I don't want you. Oops. Cool, I just want you. Excellent. And now let's refresh the extension. And after that, so I was saying here on line 45, this is where it didn't work the way I was expecting. So the exit, I picked the door W, and it didn't assign it. Interesting. Okay. Just looking at the code, what's happening. Right, so exits. Let's go see the code of exits. Go to implementation, please, of exit. So this is a dictionary. Oh, did I fill it? Uninitialize for each door in content exits. Maybe that's the problem. Like there's only one. So I always create this. So maybe I need to do no, I think wait a second. So if we go and play, maybe that's the problem. So we open the door room. So, right, current room, we know the exit, the amount of exit. So I'm creating, I don't know, so I guess let's put some breakpoint and see what's happening here. And let's add, I know it's useless, but just like just for now. And let's roll that. Game Lore, are you a gamer with a name like that? I assume you are, or you used to be. If yes, do you mind sharing what type of game you like, or what you're playing these days? Rarely times to games these days, yeah. Well, we have time, but then we are tired, or like, you know, it's like, really? I need to game. Okay, so let's pick a door. Cool. So now, okay, so we have four rooms, though south should be not available because we don't want to get out, though I'm guessing like we wouldn't pick it. Okay, so boom. So possible exits, there's 4, and there's no selected exit. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's go in. Boom. So now we are in the initializer of that dialogue. Let's put this smaller. I'm not in the way, yeah? No, okay. So now if we go boom. So now the key is south. Yeah, so is door south through. Cool. So I don't need this. I need this. Okay. Okay. Icon door. So I'm guessing I'm drawing, activating the stuff. Okay, cool. And going again. Cool. Okay. So look like we're going. This is the toggle. I think that's the each button. That's what it does. Yeah, unclick, toggle, primary button N, W, E, S. So at least we have all different, sorry. So let's put a breakpoint here just to, yeah, no, I was correct, but then like it was not assigned. Oh, well, Game Lord is a derivation of my first name that developed when I was a teenager. Actually, not sure anymore how it developed, but basically I started with my first name, Roman. Then the name had multiple nicknameification until it turned out. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. My alias that I used back then as a gamer and stuff like that was Black Tiger. And I was writing it with like a pipe. I forgot how I was doing the... Anyway, like there was like a symbol at the beginning and it was Black Tiger. But then like some places it was taken. And at some point I discovered that F. Boucheros or Boucheros was never taken anywhere. So I switched to that because my name is Frank Boucher. And at some point my father was like having fun and he renamed us like with the Latam kind of vibe names. So I was Francesco de Boucheros, stuff like that. That's how it stick. Okay, so let's run it. So now it's something else. E, boom, W, cool. Yeah, okay, so now it will be kind of like waiting, right? Yes, so we have all the buttons, they are available. So let's click on West. So the door we click is W. That's what I was expecting, right? So now I'm toggling the primary action button. That's this button. Until you pick a door, you couldn't like open it, right? So that's what this action is doing. Cool. So now like when we release the focus, it will be happening. See here, now it's W. So I'm going to content. I'm expecting to pick this one. Can I expand it? So the door by themselves are wrong. So since the beginning, I'm having the good door. Oh man. But the direction of the door is wrong. I spent an evening looking like, but I was not just looking at that, but that was pissing me off. Yeah, how can you enter the west door and like the direction is the north? Wonderful. I love that. Oh, code. It's always the fault of the coder, isn't it? The code is never wrong. Should make a t-shirt of that. I think the code is never wrong. The fault is always. Maybe I need to work on that. Okay, so now we know, like it's returning the good value, the good thing, but when we create the doors, we are not creating them correctly. I was losing my mind here. Okay, so we have the door west, but the direction of the door west is north. Duh. So we need to adjust that. Cool. So let's stop and see where did we create the doors. So I'm guessing it's in the so for this particular one, we are in the lobby. So the lobby is created in, I'm not sure where the lobby is creating. There's a lot of code refactoring that is required also for this. So while, just because there was a lot of improvement in the portal, one thing I would like to do is updates Aspire and all the other libraries. So let me just go where I am. Okay, solution is there. Why I'm missing the icon also? That's weird. What I want to do. .NET outdated. I wonder if it will catch Aspire. Aspire app host, yeah, 9.1. So yeah, let's do that. I want you to update everything. So you could do that, and I'm totally hiding it. Zoop. With .NET outdated and then -u or -- update if you want, and then it will update everything. Bogus was also updated. Oh yeah, look at that. So I think so .NET Aspire 9.1 was released this week on the 25th. And there's a lot of like improvement in the dashboard. You could even make it now light if you want instead of dark, and you could localize it, putting different languages, and like the logs you could pause it. Like there's a lot of like cool little feature, so that would be cool. Okay, so while this is updating, we won't change the code, but I just want to make sure, where did I create that lobby? So I think that might be in the game initializer. So I'm guessing it will be inside this what service, maybe, or maybe not. Maybe it's in whoops. in the web components, maybe the share components here. Cool, so now everything is updated. I should do a commit right away, though I didn't test it, right? Yeah. If it compiled, maybe, yeah. Yeah, you know what, like, let's try to compile it. It should compile. Let's do it clean first, just to make sure everything is fresh. It didn't build. If it built, then I will right away commit those changes. So yeah, in share, so I think it's probably in the adventure init that we created the lobby. Yeah, I think here. So here I set the entrance. So yeah, it's probably in this function. So compiles without any errors. Excellent. Let's just push that right away. So, shoom. Detonate upgrade. Cool. Okay. So if we go in dungeon, start dungeon level. Yeah. Let's go to this. So area, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I need, yeah, it's true. I need to put that logic into the, I think I'm not a game developer, right? And we were also building it just like as we were going. So I think I need to build not an engine in terms of like the rendering and stuff like that, but like a central place where all the rule exists. And I think game engine is a better name. Right now what I use is game turn, because in my head it was like, well, this is what you need to do in your turn. And I was putting the logic of all this, but it started to be very big. So maybe I have like an engine with like all the rule in your game. I don't know, like, yeah. So yeah, so I want to put something like that. And I will just, while I'm thinking about it, let's go back into here. Oh, we can close this. And I just want to create another one, right? Move the logic of start dungeon level back to game turn / 2d6 engine. I don't know, maybe 2d6 engine is not the good name. So I moved this here to pending since we didn't push it yet. So that's also done. Yeah, okay. So let's go back to the code. So that was the area, blah, 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 blah. Draft the current. Oh, I'm just saying 3. What's draft? Let's go examine this. Okay. Oh, that's why I never. Okay. So here, when I created the room, I just say existed and count 3. Exit count 3. But I never create them. Right, and then I push back this. This is my entry room. Here I set the entrance door. Set dungeon entrance door. What? Set dungeon entrance door. Why say entrance door when it's entry and I pass the room? Let's go see what's in there. Ah, see? Because by default I pass south. So main door, new exit. Set up dungeon entrance door. Then positional wall. Putting straight in the middle. It's not lookable. So I'm guessing here, the exit, I should pass the direction. I never do that. Right? Okay, so here in exit, get direction. I feel I brought that from something else, like target room ID. Well, that's great. So direction, we need to put the direction, but then direction is not finite, right? That's the thing, because from the lobby perspective, we were going west, but then from that other room, then it's east. But from inside this room, that direction was west. Yes. Okay. So we need a constructor and we'll pass the direction. And we should pass... Yeah, we should have a direction. Or maybe we can set it after. I can put it after, right? So here we could go, whoops, say main door. Dot direction equal, and then I want the entrance wall, right? Direction is so direction is direction, and then I have also, oh yeah, I was struggling with that. I build the get opposite direction. So when it's S, I need to get south. South is 1. Maybe instead of passing, maybe instead of like doing this, I will have to do, because I was passing chart, I thought it was easier, but maybe I should always do like the proper enum, since I have an enum. North it's 0 and stuff. So it will be number. It will be harder to read for, like, if we're looking at the data, but it may be easier that way. Where did I call that? I thought I had, like, at some point I did extract. Yeah, I was doing this, right? Like, okay, the first is like the direction and stuff. So I think everywhere where I was using the NSW, I will have to switch and use instead. Yeah, I will have instead, I will need to use my enum. Okay. So I don't want to break the code right now. So where I was, I should go here and I'll have, cool. So what I think we'll do, hey, that's not a good idea, sir. Bye-bye. So I was happy to welcome you, but then, oh, Why this message is still present? Okay. That's my. Was. So I think for now, we know that we picked the good door. It just the value inside is bad. So, you know, but one thing we should do. So we'll fix that later. So here we can remove that because we know it was good. Whoops. Right. We'll have to fix it later. We know that was good. We'll have to fix it because we don't want to use char anymore. So yeah, let's create a task because we said we'll be doing that, right? So directions, and so east, west, east. Boom. Cool. Though that could be done after. In fact, it could just be in the to-dos. Okay. What I want to do is, though, when we open the door, I didn't create yet. Okay. So I can close that one. We'll get back to it later. Did we change anything here? Why it's unsafe? What did I change in there? I didn't feel I changed that. So in play, when we get the room, I'm assuming the ID is done, but maybe not because we didn't save it yet. Right? So I think before we draw the room, we don't have the exit. Do I have like current room? Current room, and then we could say exit, and then we could go. Oh, it's here. It's direction from. So we'll have to play with that. Right? I feel like my back needs to crack. I was trying to put the ID. Let's, just make a test. I think I don't think we have the new room. I don't think we have yet an ID, because I think the ID are generated. Oh, maybe I did change that. But I don't have the exit. I have the direction. Yeah. So I will need. I think that we may have to change stuff, right? I think in the exit, we should have the go to, direction to, and direction from. Okay. But we are able to add a room. Okay, so now that this is done, though, we need to set the room. So I guess even if it's not complete, it's not functional, we are able to position a map on the canvas. So that could be considered done for now. Like, it's not functional, but the goal was to draw a room. It's there. But now we need to make it so like it's the active room. Because we don't need like the full logic of everything. Remember, it's a companion app, right? So like we're still in control. We could decide whatever we want to do, but we need to know where is it, because like we need to say that new room is now the current room. So that new room, so okay, I did that. Sturdy Dev is there. Hello, sir.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey. So I banned that user, but I'm not sure why we still see the message. I was wondering why. Oh, maybe I just need to click that little thing. Yeah. Oh, okay. Only. Okay, cool. Because it's restricted. Okay, yeah, I see the little eyes with the back. Okay, so other, and you're admin, so that's why you saw it. Cool, thanks. There's all, like, these days there's one of those during the stream, and that's it. Well, I did like ban it, but like I didn't. I should have done the restricted or like suspicious before. Like there's so many new feature. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So I have the new room. I have the current room. I want to see. swap the room, but doesn't look like it. Coordinate, set the room. Perfect, happy you did it, thanks. I don't know why those still exist, like, I guess, yeah, maybe kids, they will do it. Here. So next room, Miguel, current room. So I'm guessing there's no binding. Can I put bookmarks? So 251. So if I go back into the code, yeah, so current room description. So why the description was not updated? If I change current room, the description should be updated, right? Same for game instruction. Yeah, when I do this, okay, the description should have changed. Let's put a breakpoint here just to make sure. And yeah, let's do that. I think after that we'll merge. And after that, we could try to either work on removing the char and use the proper rhythm, or I feel like, yeah, we should work on that. Well, like, I would like this. That would be cool. Hey, oh, wow, so many. Yeah, like, we like so many landing today. We need to, how can we summon Fragbird? So many landing today. Feel like it's a good day. Fragbird. You know, will that work? Ah, it was close though. Yeah, exactly. That's my thought, Sorry, Dev. Code by mistake. It didn't work? I feel like I was missing the... Okay, so let's go back. I think we could remove a few breakpoints. Yeah, that's never... Oh, I didn't click on it, right? Okay, so that's good. Oh, it was in the dialogue, in the select door dialogue. Yeah, okay, I want to remove this. We'll come back to that later. Also, your code is running, sorry Dev, but oh no, it's just kind of like warming up. It was like the countdown. Okay, now it's valid. A drop will work. Cool, so I don't need this. I think... Okay, so I think we're good. Let's try it, and let's at the same time let's explore the new functionality of our dashboard. How was your week, Sir Dev? Did you have a nice week? Did it went as fast as mine? Mine was like, pff, the week is past. Did you do everything you had planned? No. It went so fast. Went super quick. Whoops. So now we have this. So there's collapsible resources. That's cool, right? So we have MySQL, that's my database, my server. Now I have like my database, 2D6. It's here though. Oh yeah, so we could go white. We could change. I could stream in French. C'est parfait. On continue en français. Yay! Okay, let's go back to English. What was dashboard logs? Ah, that's cool. So you could clean the logs. Awesome. Another cool stuff is the log. Was it here? No, that's the trace. Console. Let's say you go web app. You know, like sometime, like if it's a process, it just go. And now you could pause it, or you could download it or restart. No, like here. Yeah, download the logs or show timestamp. So that's pretty cool. Wonderful. No problem with that, sir. Let's go try to drop, and I will have the little emoji. Thumbs up emoji. Boom. And the cryptographer landed. Oh, look like no, I will still maybe. No. Okay. Load the adventure. Let's go with this adventure. So we fixed it. So now we can draw a room, and I thought the problem was we didn't get the good door, but we have the good door. It's just the direction inside the door is never set. So that's why even if you say give me the door, it look like the west door. It's okay, cool. Give you the west door, but inside the door the direction is set to north all the time. That was a problem, right? So if we go there, we'll remove the breakpoint just to ease our stuff. Boom. Can go back to the browser. So let's go west. So now let's roll dimension. Again, a big room. See, now just one door. And what is it? Go here. Okay, blah, blah, blah. It's a bare room. Cool. So done. I don't want to see that anymore. So now, oh yeah, because I need to fix it. I didn't do that earlier. Okay. So now, cool. So we enter by here and we have a new door. Lovely. So we can move the room, sorry. And we should put it this way. And it's a very weird dungeon because it was in a corner and you could go there and go out, and you're not out. It's like it's bigger from the inside. Doctor Who, that's what I was looking for. Exactly. Fantastic. It's bigger in the inside. So right now the room this is the entrance of the dungeon, but now that I set the room, and I'm keeping that distance here because that's how it's supposed to be in the documentation. And I think what we could do is like make when you set the room, I could like make the room like the door bigger, or like make a connection between those two doors. I don't know like how we will manage that. But yeah, so now I could do Doom. So now I'm setting those. Cool. Oh, maybe here I could do. Maybe here I could do like the direction ID. I didn't check the ID. So now if we go up, cool. Now we have the definition. So this room is bare, blah, 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 blah. So now we could pick a door, and like picking a door, we should have only this door or that door. And like what we will have to do eventually. So if I do this, see now I only have south and west. If I go west, I shouldn't have the dialogue because there's a room coming there. So I could go south and have everything. Cool. I think we can consider that we were able to put a thing. If though, like I'm not sure. Do we save it anywhere? Right. So if I go back to the entrance, load an adventure, take that adventure, still have only one. We need to save. You know? Yeah, we need to save. Okay, let's save it at least. And after that, we'll be able, you know what, let's try that, see if it gets better. So we'll stop the web app project, right? We can do that. We could before, but sometime it was working a little bit weird. So I think in the game turn, no, I was in play, right? I think, yeah. So here, before we set that, no, I think they don't. I think is there like, how do I save the game? Oh man, game turn. I think I have adventure ID, current adventure. Is there like, I don't know, what? Blah, 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 blah. Cannot speak anymore. Where do I save? In play. I thought it was in play. I'm guessing it's not in play. It was in the initialize something, right? The adventure initialize. Why do I save? At some point we save. Oh! So that's what I need to do. Okay, so here, I didn't have a 2d6 service? Yeah. It's just that here I use a lowercase instead of a boom. Voila. But I think we didn't check let's just recompile. there's one thing I want to check before, so I will keep my breakpoint. I just want to see if those two have ID, and if yes, could I put it in the door or something like that? Though I don't have the direction, right? Here I have it, so entrance wall. Here I just have the direction. Yeah, I think we'll have to fix that later. But let's just see if... I could have saved it anyway, but... So let's go back here just to make sure. Reload the adventure, excellent. This is the adventure, excellent. So let's pick a door. Let's go west again, open, medium room, 3 doors, definition, cool, right? So now we could move the room like this. Right now I do this. So current room, I have an ID in that. So current room is the lobby ID 1, and next room, do I have an ID? I think I do. Yeah, so I have an ID already. So I could connect the room. Oh, we could do that. Yeah, cool. So now I just need to save it. So let's try to see if it works. We'll come here. We'll stop this. Oh no, we need first to let it go. Cool, now it's stop. Now we could go like this. And we'll have to connect the 2 rooms. So one thing I could go here right away is connect current room and next room via the exit connection. I forgot the exact name, but let's just put this way. Create a draft. Cool. So yeah, so there we have it. Now we have this. Yeah, I want to just recompile, and I want to build that so we could restart it, validate that it's working. I'm not dropping the banana. I'm not, but we're getting closer to finish this and finally push. Oh, that will be good. Yes. So, oh, where is... this? You know... There it is. There you are. Come on. Maximize. Boom. So now it's running. Let's go there. Let's go home. Load an adventure. This adventure. Pick a door. Let's go west. Open it. Roll the dice. Big room. Roll the dice. Only one exit. Pretty cool. Roll the dice. It is what it is. There's a dusty table. Excellent. So we go here. We have a room. Oh, interesting. Did I not pick the west door? I didn't put the door correctly. You know what? Let's go pretend that we did it this way. Right, so now we can save it. So now it's supposed to be saved. So if we go back home and we load an adventure, we say this adventure. Look at that! Yay! But the current room is the entrance of the dungeon. So we'll have to set that properly. So remember the current room. Let's do okay, so but that's good. I like that. I'm willing to push that. Like we're developing, but at least now like it's, you know, it's getting there, right? You could still feel it a little bit better. So let's close this. I don't know why it does that. Did I close all my no, I want this window. I don't know why it does that. Like it doesn't show me all the windows. I don't like that. Is there something I can do? Settings. Nope, that's my chat. I want to chat here, talking about the settings. Appearance. I don't think it's in the appearance. I think it will be in the display, maybe. Nope. It's in. Oh, there it is. Dock. No, it's not dock. Launcher. Forgot how they call that. No. I feel like there's something wrong with my Okay, if it's not that, then it's in how they call that again? Tweaks. Let's see here what you say. General. Over amplification. Allow raising the volume above 100%. What? Suspend when laptop lid is closed. Oh, I don't want that. Oh, do I want that? I'm not sure. Appearance. Okay, team. Shell, sound, legacy application, image, adjustment, font. Font is good, I think. It's not what I'm looking for. Keyboard and mouse. I think that's good. Startup application. Nope. Top bar. Oh, top bar. Oh yeah, that, like but like you don't see it because it's in my laptop screen. That's not what I was looking for. Oh, double click. Yeah, toggle maximize. Sometimes I feel like, you know, if I do this right now, see, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't toggle the maximize. Double click. Toggle shade. I don't know what shade is. Middle click. Menu. Oh. Nothing. I don't think. Oh, middle click. Toggle shade. I have no idea what it is. Let's try it. Secondary click. This title bar menu. Yeah, I want to maximize. I want to minimize. I want it to the right. That was good. Windows. Wow. Attach. Why don't I like? I thought I have that. The duck. No, duck is not there. I feel like I don't have the same as I used to. Yeah, I don't see the details. Interesting. Okay, enough. Connect the, yeah, okay. So we have that. Let's go back to here. Screenshot. Oh, that's shade. I get it. Interesting. Okay, so here we did change that. I don't know why I put it in comment instead of removing it. Okay, cool. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Cool. Cool. Boom. So now we can push that. Boom. So now we could do a PR. But do I want main or do I think I want to go main. So like if people try it. Yeah, I think I will go main for now. And then after that, and we'll have to update the documentation though. It's true. Because documentation now is saying like it doesn't give the good instruction for loading it. So I don't like it won't be code. So let's close the Solution Explorer. Maybe the name is not perfect for the solution. And it's not, it will be in the README. Right, so classic dungeon crawler, it's a digital version, approval, blah, 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 on progress. We should do a screenshot with like two stuff. Oh, solution need and aspire. Cool. Have a nice weekend, Game Lord. So, oh, so like, okay, look like I did update the documentation. Wonderful. So we could just like do a PR. So we were in position new on the map. So we want to do a PR. Boom. Start a pull request. I love that. I need to, they started to do like automation. I need to have a look into that. Simpler starter. Evolve. Map. And more. Cool. Yeah, it's assigned to me. Boom. And, yeah. Create a pull request. Yeah. Go on GitHub, see that. Excellent. Should build. See if it's working. And then if it's build, we can merge it. And I think what I will do after is I will create a branch that will be VNex. So see, like here, we should have like now like a 2 rooms. Have a VNex version. So we push to VNex, and when we push in main, like that's kind of like where like I could even like publish it in the cloud something and look like it's working. So yeah, squash and merge. So I think though we should say that this yeah, did it fix something else? I think we could do this too, because there's no more warning, right? We did refact also the combat, but like there's still room for improvement. Migrate JavaScript code to BlazorX. I thought that was not working. I'll have to look again. Not sure, I think it was not working. Oh, it's not the best solution for us right now. Forgot. I did the test and I don't remember what it was, like the output of that test. But this, we do this. Oh yeah, we need to change all that. I think this should be done too, right? 15. Oh, that is it, the one we're working? We have a proper, yeah, so I think 15 is also, whoops, part of what's done. Right? So, merge. Boom! Yes! Feels good. If I refresh that, only one issue is gone. Yeah. Cool. So now we have 2 issues, but like, you know, like there's way more. It's just they are draft right now. Cool, cool, cool. Ah, feels good. Finally, it's been forever. This was the, so many landings today. It must be this day, right? I feel like and I see my mic. I don't like that. Why it's this? I'm in the dark. I'm in the dark. Oh, that feels good. So, what will be the next move here? So I think what we can do, definitely we can delete this branch. I want to keep the branch clean. I think the other branch was 46, migrating JavaScript. I think, oh, migrating. That was my experiment. It's there. Okay, so I should like reopen it and test it eventually. And we can ask help. from the creator because I know him. Cool. Do I want to create? I'm happy. I'm so like I'm kind of like in my head is like, wait, like, you know what? In my head is.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, Blazer, Mr. Magoo. We just merged. We finally have a new room. Like I should have had it here. Yeah, let's do another screenshot so we could, you know, show it that we have a new room. Oh yeah, yes. You know what? Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's go here. Let's go main. Let's go remove. Why it's so big? Let's, where is it? Delete this. Yes, I'm sure. I want to go main. I want to pull from GitHub. Excellent. Excellent. So now I want to do F5. And just to be consistent though, I will put my team back to the blue. To the blue thing. Oh, we could do like 3 screenshot with like the battle and like the room, and oh yeah, we'll do that. So we could update that. Is it running? Where it is? Is it building? Yeah. I was like, what's happening? Come on. Why are you still doing that? Yeah. There's something wrong. I think I will... I switch Windows Manager on my Linux and I think it's acting weird. So let's go... Sorry, but it will be light. So load adventure, we still have this, so we could do this. We could go combat screen. What? What's the error? I feel it was doing that. I forgot. I found why. Was it because it couldn't display stuff? So if I put things...
Hi.
Hey, GD, how are you? Our adventure store in the Git commit. We saved the, like, as you can see, like maybe you didn't see it, but let's reload. Like the new rooms are saved. So that's pretty cool. So I think I'll have to cheat here to do the screenshot. So here, if I go combat, let's go with a jailer. Okay, jailer works. So let's roll the dice. I think that's cool. Has things to screenshot. I forgot how, like, is it this? Oh, cool. It is that. So let's put it this way. take a screenshot. Maybe I could have... There's a lot of stuff. Display. Could I have make it smaller? Maybe. Like this. I don't need the journal. Like this. Right? Yeah, I think I will be a better screenshot. So this could be one of our screenshot. Our map here, I think... What? Oh, yeah. It's you know, it's not perfect. Cool. I think here for the map, I will have to... Can I go full screen maybe? Like this? Nope. That's not what I wanted to do. How do you do full screen again? Alt F11? No? How do you go full screen? I want to go full screen. I thought it was F11, but apparently not. Can I do... I can do 2 screenshots though. Oh, like though. Okay, so now we have our rooms. So let's do this. Control P, and I'll just like this. Let's go up to the N. Like that. And I could scroll and do it again. And move it just a little bit. Like this. Do this. Voila. We could also do like create a new adventure. Like this. Oh no, we want to create a new adventurer. And for this, let's put it's like that. And we'll just go like this. Yeah, like this, I think. Cool. So now, if we check, see, this is KDE, and the rest of my UI is GNOME. So I feel like my mesh here is not great. Though in document now, or it will be picture. Screenshot maybe. Yeah, so those are today's screenshot. Cool. So oh, I have GNOME. Let's open with GNOME. So let's, I want to open that one too. Oh, not, well, yeah, okay, fine, layer. Layer is fine. So what I want to do is I will cut something like this, copy. So now I could remove this, or paste it. What? No. It didn't do what I was looking for. Okay, so on this one I have the end. Okay, yeah. So on this one I want to take this, right? Copy it. Then move this one on the top. And let's do paste in a new layer. Cool, so I could move it. Like something like this. So now after that we could crop the image. Oh no, it's the other way around. That's what we want to keep. Crop. Whoops. That's not what I wanted. Crop. Crop, crop. Oh man. To here. And like this. And I could do crop to selection. There it is. So now we could export it. Say screenshot 2D6 screenshot map. Did you land? Oh, Fuel Samuel is here. Hello, hello. Snabel. Okay, so we have this. Did we need to change the other? I think this one was good too. And I think that one was okay too. So open. I think we want this one and the last one, right? Yeah, this one and the last one. So this one and the last one. Open, please. Yeah, that one is good. We could cut here a little bit. Let's do that. So let's do this just to make it a tiny little bit smaller. Great. 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 Here we could also make it narrower. Well, we can keep it this way. Let's keep it that way, and since we'll add the other layer on top of it. So here we'll do Control C, bring it here and go with paste as a new layer. And we'll do image, canvas size. We'll make it huge. So we can have plenty of space. Right. Control Z. So here we want to merge down. Where is it? Merge visible layer. Excellent. Yes, merge please. Remove this one. Great. We have to cut again. Why am I having so much trouble with this one? Let's do a merge down and a merge down. Why don't I see merge down? Oh, because it's not visible. So I could delete that one. Cool. So now let's do this and layer, crop selection. Voila. Cool. So now we could do this. Excellent. So now I have this. I'll have something like that. And now we could bring the other one. Do Control C, bring it to the first, and do a Control paste as layer. Voila. And maybe you have it here. Something like this. Or like that. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, maybe like this. That kind of looks cool, right? So here we could do, let's do drop shadow. And we'll do the drop shadow. Why I don't see it? Oh, I think I know. Cancel. Let's go and say this and this and this. So now if I am here, so that one is cool, but I think I will go, well, like that, it's nice, right? So here, that one, I think I want it on the other side like this. Yeah. Cool. And the last one, could be regular. Cool. Just like that. One lion! Hello, hello! We got it. Like, we finally got it. We have our new room. We drop it. Like, it's not connected. It's the wrong... The door is not the proper door and stuff like that. But at least it's show on the map. So we merged it. Now look like my PC is frozen because dropping 3 shadows was way too much work. Come on. Come on, wake up. No, please. Yay! Yay! Come on, oh no. It's frozen. Oh, come on. Control Alt Delete. Oh no. What do we do? Hopefully you've been saving. Oh yeah, the screenshot are there. Control Shift Escape. Control Shift Escape. I'm on Linux. Yeah. Look like it's a dead. Oh, damn it. That's unfortunate. Come on. You don't even want to reboot? Let's try to fix that quickly. Oh, we are mostly at the end of the stream anyway. Oh yeah, you know what, let's, that was a sign. It was going very well all day, all stream. So I think that will be it. Unfortunately. Where is my interface? Where is my interface? Yeah, so thank you all for coming. One Lion, nice to see you. we're leaving. We'll wrap it up for the day. Honestly, I don't like. I won't even pretend today. I will have way too much work, and like it's boring work, like writing a blog post. I don't think I want to do that streaming. But I'll probably lurking some content. So maybe watch you One Lion later on. So everybody, if I don't see you again on some streams today, I wish you all a good end of day and a good weekend, and see you all next week. Bye bye. And I always the same problem.